How to create an account on Skype. Firstly, launch any web browser on your device. Click the search bar and type in Skype. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on this kind of interface, that is the results section. So you need to click on the official link of Skype, that is Skype. So let's click on it. Now you will land on the official interface of Skype, where you need to click on sign in button at top right corner of the screen. Here, click on sign up link and you can easily go through the sign up process. If you open Skype in your browser, your account will be linked with your Microsoft account and you don't need to create any other account and you'll be logged into the Skype. For now, let's choose sign up link at top right corner of the screen. Now here you need to create an account using your email address. So enter the new email address on this page. Now create a password using the following terms and conditions. So once you enter the password, you can easily check using the show password button. Now click on the next button. Enter your first name and the last name. Now click the next button. Now after that, enter the code that has been received on your mail. Now you need to click on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait until the other section gets loaded on this page. Here you need to complete the verification process and prove that you are a human. After that, you will be taken to the other pages where you have to do and follow the on-screen prompts, and there your Skype account will be created. So now you have successfully created account on the Skype. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.